Assalamu alaikum everybody. So in this lesson we will learn about other methods. So let's get it started. IMP is variable input, enter input, enter anything. So the first method is IMP dot is elnum if is elnum, print true, print okay, else print what? Print your string, print not. Let me check. Python l.py. First of all, what mean is elnum? This method to check all characters are numbers or string. So run y66 or 0. Okay, but if I wrote hash or other thing will not. Okay, Python l.py. I will plus is not, because it just check all characters number or string. So another thing is if IMP dot is numeric. What mean is numeric? Numeric, this method check if all characters are numbers. So print you are entered numbers. You are entered numbers. So I have another thing. Elif IMP imp dot is alpha. Print. So what's wrong? There are something wrong. So what's wrong? What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Now it's okay. Elif no, everything is okay. So is alpha this method to check all characters are string. So you enter it letters. So if it's letters, I have another thing. If IMP is upper if I is upper, print L letters are upper case. So another method, elif imp dot is lower. A print, I will copy this line, this code, and paste it, are lower. So is lower, check L letters are lower case. So this is many methods. Is lower, is upper, no upper. imp dot is upper. Is lower, is upper, is alpha, is numeric, is elnum. So summary is elnum. Check L characters are numbers or string. So and new is numeric. Check L characters are numbers, and alpha check L characters are letters. String is upper. Check L characters are uppercase. Is lower. Check LR character is check L characters are lowercase. And goodbye.